Hi everyone, welcome to the Nawab channel. Today I'm going to make a jam recipe that has many benefits, but I'm just going to tell you two of them. Number one is it's very tasty because many healthy recipes do not taste very nice. The other is it is loaded with nutrients and it's very good for people who are on diet because it helps you to reduce weight very quickly. So let's start the recipe now. First, in a pan, we'll take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and we'll heat it on medium flame. Next, we'll add our chickpeas. I have taken 400 gram of boiled chickpea can and we'll saute the chickpeas for 10 seconds. Once the chickpeas are sauteed, we'll add some cashew nuts. If you are allergic to nuts, you can skip this part because you are cooking it with chickpeas which are full of protein, so you are good to go with only chickpeas and you will not have to worry about the cashew nuts. Next we'll add our spices, 1 teaspoon of salt or add salt according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano. It will give our salad a very beautiful taste. Next we'll mix all these spices until all the spices are coated well with the chickpeas or until the chickpeas and cashew nuts turn golden. In a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes after cooking, the chickpeas will turn into this color which is looking very beautiful. Our chickpeas are almost ready. Now we'll turn off the flame and we'll prepare our dressing for the salad. In a bowl we'll take 3 teaspoons of olive oil and we'll add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in it. Give it a little mix. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of honey in it to balance the sourness of lemon. This honey will give it a very sweet and sour taste. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt again, and or you can add salt according to your taste, and we'll add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix the dressing. Now all you need to do is mix everything. First we'll put our cucumber, 1 chopped cucumber in the bowl. Next we'll add 1 chopped tomato. Next we'll add 1 chopped red onion. Now we'll add half red bell pepper and half yellow bell pepper chopped. Mix everything little bit and then we'll add chopped fresh coriander. And then we'll add our chickpeas and cashew nuts that we cooked earlier. Mix everything. The good thing about this salad is it prepares very quickly, and we'll add our salad dressing. Mix everything again. Oh, sorry, we forgot our carrots. We will put our carrots in it and we'll mix everything. Look, in almost 5 minutes, our yummiest, delicious salad is ready. We're just going to dish out with some lettuce leaves to give it a more beautiful present. Look, delicious and healthy protein salad is ready. Enjoy, and I'll come back with some more interesting recipes. Please like my video and share my video. If you are interested in more videos or recipes, give me suggestion in the comments. Thank you for watching.